Avalanche value equivalent to $32,744 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 32.708.33.6 The earlier day close, 33.2869. The change was 0.58825, 175%. Reverse rate, Oz to Avax. Avalanche figure for August 2024. Initially cost at $16.53. Excessive cost $20.51, while low cost $16.53. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $18.19. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $19.17. Change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $19.17. Excessive cost $23.80, while low cost $19.17. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $21.10. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $22.24. Change for September 16%. Avalanche conjecture for October 2024. Before all else cost at $22.24. Excessive cost $24.70, while low cost $21.46. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $22.87. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $23.8. Change for October 38%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $23.8. Exorbitant cost $28.64, while low cost $23.8. The found the middle value of cost $25.39. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $26.77. Change for November 16%. Avalanche gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at $26.77. Exorbitant cost $33.22, while low cost $26.77. The found the middle value of cost $29.45. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $31.05. Change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at $31.05. Excessive cost $38.54, while low cost $31.05. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $34.17. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $36.02. Change for January 16%. Avalanche figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $36.02. Excessive cost $39.26, while low cost $34.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $36.52. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $36.69. Change for February 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at $36.69. Exorbitant cost $40.83, while low cost $35.49. The found the middle value of cost $37.79. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $38.16. Change for spring 40%. Avalanche estimate for April 2025. To start with cost at $38.16. Exorbitant cost $40.99, while low cost $35.63. The found the middle value of cost $38.27. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $38.31. Change for April's on 4%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at $38.31. Exorbitant cost $41.78, while low cost $36.32. The found the middle value of cost $38.87. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $39.05. Change for May 19%. Avalanche gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at $39.05. Exorbitant cost $43.45, while low cost $37.77. The found the middle value of cost $40.22. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $40.61. Change for June 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at $40.61. Excessive cost $43.84, while low cost $38.10. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $40.88. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $40.97. Change for July per 9%. Avalanche conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at $40.97. Excessive cost $45.54, while low cost $39.58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $42.16. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $42.56. Change for August 39%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $42.56. Excessive cost $47.05, while low cost $40.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $43.62. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $43.97, change for September 33%. Avalanche figure for October 2025. Initially cost at $43.97. Excessive cost $54.58, while low cost $43.97. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $48.38. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $51.01, change for October 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $51.01. Excessive cost $51.01, while low cost $39.85. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $46.18. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $42.85, change for November 16%. Avalanche figure for December 2025. Before all else cost at $42.85. Exorbitant cost $42.85, while low cost $33.47. The found the middle value of cost $38.79. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $35.99, change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $35.99. Exorbitant cost $43.16, while low cost $35.99. The found the middle value of cost $38.87. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $40.34, change for January 1%. Avalanche estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $40.34. Exorbitant cost $40.34, while low cost $33.71. The found the middle value of cost $37.66. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $36.25, change for February 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at $36.25. Excessive cost $36.25, while low cost $28.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $32.82. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $30.45, change for spring 16%. Avalanche figure for April 2026. Initially cost at $30.45. Excessive cost $37.79, while low cost $30.45. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $33.50. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $35.32, change for April 16%. As to Avax expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.46, while low zone 28. The found the middle value of cost and 36. The S to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.43, change for May 53.6%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2024. In the first place cost at 0.43 coins. Excessive costs N 55, while lows N 39. The arrived at the midpoint of costs N 47. The S to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends N 51, change for June 18.6%. As to Avax expectation.